This is inside the lobby. One of the girls, very polite. Security guard, don't mess with them. There is, folks, absolutely beautiful. That's my room down there. This hotel is absolutely spotless, clean, not a bit of dust to be seen anywhere. I recommend it for anybody to come here. The toilets, shower, everything, absolutely beautiful. Safety deposit box as well. And to beat this, folks, you've got your own balcony. And over there, Jollibees, a big favourite of Philippines. I love Jollibees. Your TV, your kettle, coffee, teas. Also, you've got a fridge. I certainly would recommend this to anybody. Not a bit of dust anywhere, no hairs, nothing. Sometimes we get in hotels and they're a bit dirty, but this place is spotless. This view, just from outside the hotel,